Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting what proves identity: the exact username, recovery email or phone, and a device you regularly used. Start the password recovery flow on the service. This triggers verification steps. Why this matters: the system matches recent device and location patterns to reduce false positives. Once done, make sure you can receive codes, SMS, authenticator app, or backup codes, and keep that device nearby, because the next steps require those real-time codes to reset access. You now proceed through the verification sequence. Choose SMS, authenticator app, or email, then request the code. Enter codes promptly. If you see a fallback like security questions or recent activity prompts, respond with exact details, dates, devices, or sent messages to prove account ownership. Once verified, create a new password. Use a passphrase or 12+ character combination that you haven't used before. Make sure to save it in a password manager, because that prevents repeated resets and keeps access stable. You finish by signing in and immediately securing the account. Update recovery email and phone, enable two-factor authentication, and revoke unfamiliar sessions. This prevents re-entry by attackers and ties the account to your devices. If something goes wrong, codes not delivered, or a lock on the account, contact support and provide proof: billing receipts, government ID, or device serials. Explain recent activity. That evidence speeds manual review. Finally, document the new credentials in your manager and test sign in once more.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.